Good morning, Chris's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh cup of coffee with K-Pods without a machine. I boiled me 16 ounces of water and I'm going to use 2 K-Cups. If I was only going to use one, I would have used 8 ounces and I just made a mess. Hold on, I gotta pause. I spilled some of my coffee on my K-Cup, but I just picked it up and put it in my water. So I'm going to pour my coffee inside of my boiling water. I just heated this up in the microwave for 3 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir. Stir it up really good. Okay. I'm going to let it sit there for 2 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to cut my filter off. These little K-Cups have a built-in filter. And just cut that. Be careful, I have a razor knife, it's very sharp. Makes it very easy. If you don't have a razor knife, you could use a sharp scissors or a knife. If you notice that your K-Cup is filtering, it's really slow, look on the inside. There might be a lot of grounds in there. You can just dump it out over the trash can or something, and you can finish filter. Well, I filtered all of my coffee, and a little trick that I like to do, I freeze my creamer, and that way it makes my coffee turn cool without having watered down coffee by using plain ice. So I put these in the freezer, and I like having, instead of plain water ice, I have creamer ice. So it helps cool down my coffee, but it doesn't water it down, and I still have a creamer. So maybe give it a try. And mix it all up, and there you go. You have your fresh brewed K-Cup coffee without a Keurig or a K-Cup machine. Yummy.